Hi guys, good evening to everyone. This is Prakash here. So I'm just going to talk about the Tommy Hilfiger. So it is one of the most leading American fashion clothing brand. So it is one of the most popular leading brand in lifestyle and retail sector. So the if I talk about the segment of the Tommy Hilfiger, so that all their consumer is seeking for a new interpretation in a cool American style, and that consumer of Tommy Hilfiger it's between 25 to 40 years of consumer, and with his urban upper segment, that for young men and women, and positioning with a high quality in American style. So the brand is very popular because of that Tommy Hilfiger doesn't have luxury images like Louis Vuitton and Gucci, but the designers aim to always that offer to produce wide range of clothing and accessories with an affordable price. So that makes the brand very popular, and even that brand is also very affordable in price, about their wide range of clothing for men and women. And it is one of the most it is occurs the position of 34th most popular brand in clothing and footwear. Even their red, white and the blue tag, which becomes widely popular for upper class and the casual buyers as well. And if you know that Mr. Tommy Hilfiger before making his immensely product, he already opened several stores in 1970s, and that is also the reason to make the brand more accessible, to make the brand more popular into the market. Now I'm going to talk about that few strength of the Tommy Hilfiger, because that brand is very well recognized for being global, and it has a that strong recognition for being global, and then that strong distribution network which is in global, and in presence of more than 90 countries and more than 1,000 retail sectors across the globe. Like they have that flagships in North America, South, Central and European countries and the Asia Pacific. And it has a cool American style design that also becomes very popular, and that also makes the brand so popular and famous across the globe. And then associations and the promotions by many famous supermodel and the celebrities, like that supermodel Gigi Hadid, which Tommy Hilfiger tied up with her, and for one of his runway fashion. And that after the launch of that fashion, that products were sold online, and that also that biggest reason to make the brand so popular. And even in many live performances, and that in many runway fashions, that many celebrities owe Tommy Hilfiger's designs, Tommy Hilfiger's clothing. And even the advertising of the Tommy Hilfiger is much more popular. Whenever the Tommy Hilfiger stores open in any cities, in any countries, the advertising becomes so strong to make the brand too popular and too much of accessible to each and every consumers. And now I'm just going to talk about that how Tommy Hilfiger succeeded. So in 1984, that Hilfiger was approaching by an Indian entrepreneur called Mr. Mohan Murjani, and who was looking for a designer to head a men's sportswear line. So Mr. Murjani allowed to Mr. Hilfiger to designs that one of his label under his own name, that's sealing the deal. So the pair announced Hilfiger's own collections, Hilfiger's own new arrivals onto the scene with a bleach marketing campaign, and that was including a bold billboard in New York's Times City squares by announcing Tommy Hilfiger says that there is a next big thing in American fashion. So Mr. Tommy Hilfiger also told one reporter in 1986 that I think I'm the next American designer. So that Tommy Hilfiger's, that line with the preppy clothes and with his blue, white, and that red tag soon become wildly popular into the fashion. Then in 1990s, that hip hop world, or the Tommy Hilfigers, that oversized versions. So in that year only, that Snoop Dogg's also wore that oversized T-shirts in one of his Saturday Live performance in New York.